It's time to accept the fact that digital marketing is part of our overall landscape now as business owners. And it's exciting. It's not scary. The online world is how you grow and scale your business. I'm going to teach you how to stop being triggered by digital marketing. Instead, cultivate your love for it. Let's face it, everyone is online these days, am I right? The internet is the perfect place to build and promote yourself and your business. So if you're shying away from digital marketing, it's time to rethink that. But be honest, you probably find digital marketing a little triggering, right? I totally get it. There are so many options, so many social media networks, so many ways to market yourself, so many things beeping at you on your computer. Do you focus on a blog, a podcast, a YouTube channel? How often should you email your list? All these questions are coming up, right? How do you even build an email list? How often should you post, or do you post on social media? All the things, right? It goes on and on and on and on. But here's the thing. That laundry list of stuff that I just mentioned, it's not what's really holding you back. I promise you. I mean, you started a business. You know how to do hard things. You're capable of teaching yourself things. Now, what's holding you back is fear that you're going to mess it up or misstep or overlook something. In other words, you're afraid of what you don't know yet. And digital marketing has this vibe around it that you have to have years of experience to know what you're doing. And while yes, of course, experience brings more knowledge, the truth is you can start cultivating an interest and a love for digital marketing today. And when you do that, suddenly you'll want to learn more. You'll be inspired to learn more. And before you know it, you'll be right up there with your competitors who are already mastering digital marketing and giving them a run for their money. I've got 2 ways that you can start working on this right now, today. Are you ready for them? The first way to start cultivating your love for digital marketing is to start listening to podcasts. Podcasts are a super easy way to passively learn something. And if you've got a block of time in your day for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes while you'll be folding laundry or making a meal, you can literally throw on your earphones, put your phone on speakerphone, throw on a podcast and learn something. In my opinion, one of the best places to start if you're dipping your toes into marketing is Social Media Examiner by Michael Stelzner. Super awesome. It's easy to understand information for small business owners and marketers alike. And I always learn something new. Or, of course, you can listen to my podcast, right? I break down digital marketing tips for small business owners just like you in the holistic wellness space. The idea here is that the more you immerse yourself in the topics and the lingo, the more comfortable you'll become. Hey, I know because I was there. I used to know nothing. And the more you realize this, it's not rocket science. And it can be kind of fun. Okay, now here's the second way to cultivate a love for digital marketing. Find a business bestie. Once you start learning tips and tactics, something is going to happen. You're going to want to talk about it. You're going to want to strategize with it. You're going to want to mastermind about it with someone. And this is where your business bestie comes into place. 2 heads are always better than 1. And the saying, and in cases like digital marketing, that's totally true. You can bounce ideas off of each other. You can clue each other into stuff that's happening and you can cheer each other on, or you can have a little bitch fest about what you don't understand and help each other, okay? So where do you find a business bestie? There are a couple of ideas. First of all, Facebook groups on topics related to your niche. And they're designed for entrepreneurs, or check out Instagram accounts. You'll definitely find people over there that you may want to connect with. Or perhaps you're already in a business or a group where there are humans around talking, and you can break down into smaller groups and find a business bestie within there. Don't discount your local area as well. More often than not, there are groups of small business owners on Facebook just for your own area. And if you find them and join them, you'll get your business bestie there as well. So even better if you can find even more than one business bestie. I'm in groups that have 3, 4, 5, 7 different people in them. And when that happens, you end up creating your own mastermind. Actually, I'm in some groups with 30 people, and I'm getting excited for you just thinking about all that you're about to learn and discover as you work with others, as you cultivate this love for digital marketing. Mainly because as soon as you start taking these steps, not only will you obviously learn more, but you'll also start seeing some pretty amazing changes in your business. Like greater visibility, more brand awareness, more clients headed your way. So basically you have nowhere to go but up. And I think it's time for you to start heading that way now, okay? So don't forget to grab your free copy of my complete marketing funnel in ebook form right here at hayleyhobson.com/biz hacks ebook. This resource will totally help you as you create your own digital marketing strategy. And make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments what your thoughts are about these ideas and falling in love with digital marketing yourself. I'll see you online.